So last 12 months, everything's changed around. We've stopped doing all the import parts now, and we're solely a Subaru workshop. Anything from general servicing all the way up to dyno tuning. Bought a dyno, as you can see, and we're just working on getting cars going better, faster, and keeping them reliable. So we're basically a one-stop shop. So we can do everything from logbook servicing to just performance for street cars, circuit cars, drag cars, fast street cars, whatever you need, we can do it. So it's all done in-house here. Basically club racing, super sprints, we do a couple of door-to-door races that are in the IPRAs, all the way up to, we're going to have a couple of cars at Time Attack this year. Drag racing for me is the funnest. I love circuit racing, but I love the challenge of making my car go quicker. I just race myself basically, and when there's nitrous involved, it's even better. Third year competing, so we've done it 2 years before in the Coaster. It's the atmosphere. It's a weekend party with all the mates. Everyone in the industry, we all go down there, have a good time, and it's just the atmosphere of it. So we're never there to win, we're just there to compete, have fun, and put on, showcase what we can do. Definitely it's a harder surface to race on, which is a big advantage for Subarus, because we've got less power and we've got more grip than most people. It actually helps us go, so it keeps it a more even playing field. Yeah, so the last 2 years I raced the Forester. It was just a running joke for a shop car that we did. I've always had this little GC8 that's been clean sitting in the corner, so that's it over there. We've decided to bring that out this year. It's lighter, it should go quicker. All our big cars run Deshell motors. That's a 2.35. It's a 550 kilowatt engine rated package. It's got a 6870 on it, 280 cams. It's got headers that we sort of modified. There's nothing special about it. It's just a mix of package. And then we're going to put nitrous on it tonight and see what it can do. It's a stock 6-speed gearbox, short ratio. So it's out of an 02 STI. It holds. We use factory drive shafts, factory diff, factory gearbox. So everything back of the engine back is all factories. It's a good package. It's a cheap package and it does its job. So that's I want to join the 9-second club. So Luke Beach's 4G killer, which we've got here. It's a Deshell 2.1 litre, 6870 precision, 290 cams, custom headers all done in-house, hyper-tuned cooler, should roll around about the 550 kilowatt mark. We want to see a 9. How far into the 9s? Well, that comes down to his driving. Oh, look, the 4Gs are always fast, but we might do a Stephen Bradbury and be the last person standing.